Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Earn digital marketing platform. Basically, digital marketing worldwide, the best work and how to earn money. The marketplace, Fiverr. I can details Fiverr marketplace. Digital marketplace, digital marketing, the brand, build your brand, grow your business. The slogan of digital marketing, build your brand, grow your business. Most popular digital marketing, the Fiverr guidelines. The number one, search engine optimization. Number two, social media marketing. Number three, video marketing. Number four, e-commerce marketing. Number five, SEM, search engine marketing. Number six, email marketing. Number seven, music promotion. Number eight, paid social media. Friends, digital marketing, big platform, lot of love, but you are selected to work the easy how to earn money, the online platform, the best social media marketing and video marketing. I suggest two categories, the video marketing and social media. The social media, lot of categories: social media management, social media paid social media, organic social media promotion, profile setup and integration, social content, social media strategy, social media analytics. Social media categories, the Fiverr suggests the social media categories. Main categories, the social media management, number one. Number two, paid social media. Number three, organic social media promotion. Number four, profile setup and integration. Number five, social content. Number six, social media strategy. Number seven, analytic and tricks. But you are not all things, just your two side, the social media management and social media promotion. Okay, social media management. Social media management, very simple work, and all people the social media management as like in the social media big platform, top 10 platform. Number one, Facebook. Number two, Instagram. Number three, LinkedIn. Number four, Twitter. Number five, YouTube. But Fiverr suggests the others social media platform: Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, Snapchat, Twitch, Product Heart, Kik, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, others, Discover, Reddit, Thumbnail, Tumblr, etc. But I can request and suggest that your true platform, the how to make money, the skill, own make money, and another service the marketplace earn. Number one, Facebook. Number two, Instagram. Number three, YouTube. You three social media work. You are just three skill earn how to lot of make money, own and customer and client services. Number one, Facebook. Number two, Instagram. Number three, YouTube. But your all social media platform needed: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, Reddit, Tumblr, etc. But lot of sellers, the lot of earn money, the $1,000 earn social media management, social media, Facebook service, Facebook ad campaign,